All right, I'm in here in this old drift mine, and in here they were looking for iron ore. This one in particular was in operation from about 1906 to 1921, and it's so dark it's hard to really see a lot of the stuff on camera. It's easier to see in person. But this is the water line. You can't go any further. And they had work headings up above us, but as you can see, they collapsed. Normally the water is up to about right here. You can kind of see that dark spot on the wall over there. So while I was in the area, I just happened to check a couple of spots and happened to find one that was open and allowed me in. So back in the 70s, some kids got hurt playing in one of the mines, so they came through and closed all of them up. So sometimes we get lucky and we can find a way in, and sometimes we can't. So And what's crazy is there is a major Birmingham building sitting right above us. So that's all there really is to this one. It was just a little side entry, but still interesting to check out. So if you like what I'm doing, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think.